The concept of tiny homes is gaining traction as a viable solution to the growing housing crisis, particularly for retirees and seniors who face financial challenges in owning or renting traditional homes. With the median home price in states like California exceeding $800,000 as of 2024 and the average rent for a one-bedroom apartment reaching $2,500 per month, many are turning to tiny homes as a more affordable and sustainable alternative. The 2025 Tesla Tiny Home, priced at just $7,799, is emerging as a revolutionary option that combines cutting-edge technology with cost-effective living solutions. One of the most compelling aspects of tiny homes is their affordability. Traditional homeownership often comes with hefty property taxes, with California homeowners paying over $8,000 annually. In contrast, tiny homeowners typically pay less than $500 per year in property taxes, making it a financially attractive option for retirees on fixed incomes. Additionally, the upfront cost of a tiny home is significantly lower than that of a traditional house, allowing more people to achieve homeownership without the burden of a massive mortgage. Energy efficiency is another major advantage of tiny homes. Traditional single-family houses, ranging from 1,500 to 2,500 square feet, consume a substantial amount of energy, leading to high utility bills. Tiny homes, on the other hand, are typically between 250 to 400 square feet and use up to 75% less energy. The 2025 Tesla Tiny Home takes this a step further by integrating Tesla solar panels, enabling homeowners to generate their own electricity and potentially eliminate their electricity bills entirely. Advanced insulation and water-saving technologies further reduce utility costs by 50 to 70%, making tiny homes an environmentally friendly and economical choice. Maintenance is another area where tiny homes outshine traditional houses. Standard homes often require frequent repairs and continuous upkeep, which can be both costly and stressful. Tesla tiny homes are built with durable, low-maintenance materials, significantly reducing the need for repairs. This is particularly beneficial for retirees who seek a low-stress lifestyle without the constant worry of home maintenance. For many seniors, community and social interaction are just as important as affordability and efficiency. Living alone in a large home can be isolating, especially for those who may need occasional assistance with daily tasks. Tiny home communities are becoming increasingly popular among retirees, offering a balance between privacy and social engagement. These communities often provide low-cost land leases, ranging from $300 to $600 per month, making them an economical alternative to traditional neighborhoods. Unlike standard residential areas where neighbors might barely know each other, tiny home communities foster a sense of belonging and shared responsibility. Customization is another key feature of tiny homes. They can be tailored to meet the specific needs of seniors, with features like wheelchair-friendly layouts, slip-resistant flooring, and smart security systems, ensuring a safe and comfortable living environment. Many tiny home villages also include communal amenities such as gardens, recreation areas, and fitness centers, helping residents maintain an active and enjoyable lifestyle. The mobility of tiny homes offers an additional layer of flexibility. Unlike traditional homes that are fixed in place, many tiny houses are built on wheels, allowing owners to relocate as needed. This is particularly useful for retirees who may want to live closer to family or move to a different climate based on their health and personal preferences. Natural disasters pose significant risk to traditional homes, but Tesla tiny homes are designed with resilience in mind. Constructed with fire-resistant materials, including aerospace-grade aluminum siding and tempered heat-reflective glass, these homes can withstand extreme conditions. The structure is reinforced with a non-combustible galvanized steel frame, offering far greater fire resistance than traditional wood or composite materials. An AI-powered fire suppression system with heat sensors and automated sprinklers further enhances safety by detecting and containing potential fire hazards in real time. Flooding is another growing concern, particularly in California, where 60% of homes are at risk due to rising sea levels and extreme weather conditions. The Tesla Tiny Home addresses this issue with an elevated modular foundation that keeps it above common flood levels. Waterproof aerogel insulation and self-draining smart flooring prevent water damage and mold growth, ensuring the home remains safe and habitable even during heavy rainfall or temporary flooding. Tesla's solar roof panels and Powerwall battery storage further enhance the home's efficiency by generating 100% of its electricity and storing excess energy for nighttime use or emergencies. This eliminates reliance on the grid and reduces monthly energy expenses to nearly zero. Smart climate control features such as AI-driven ventilation and phase change materials regulate interior temperatures, reducing cooling costs by up to 50% in hot climates. In addition to environmental and financial advantages, Tesla tiny homes incorporate cutting-edge smart home technology. A Tesla Home AI system optimizes energy usage, adjusts temperatures, and provides security monitoring. Homeowners can access their homes via biometric security using fingerprint or facial recognition, eliminating the need for traditional keys. Climate-adaptive sensors continuously track humidity, air quality, and temperature, automatically adjusting systems for maximum comfort and efficiency. Changes in zoning laws and government policies are making it easier to own and legally reside in tiny homes. In California, new accessory dwelling unit (ADU) laws have made it possible to place tiny homes in residential backyards. Recent legislation, such as SB 9 and SB 10, has further expanded housing opportunities by allowing multiple small homes on previously single-family lots. As a result, tiny homes are becoming a critical part of the housing solution, offering a practical and budget-friendly option for retirees and seniors. The 2025 Tesla Tiny Home represents a significant step forward in addressing the housing crisis, providing an affordable, sustainable, and resilient living solution for those who need it most. With its innovative design, advanced technology, and focus on community, the Tesla Tiny Home could very well be the future of housing for retirees and seniors. Beyond its immediate benefits, this tiny home model also aligns with broader societal trends, such as the growing emphasis on sustainability, minimalism, and financial independence, making it a compelling option for a wide range of individuals, not just retirees. One of the most transformative aspects of the Tesla Tiny Home is its potential to redefine the concept of homeownership. For decades, the American dream has been synonymous with owning a large, single-family home. However, as housing costs continue to rise and environmental concerns become more pressing, this traditional model is increasingly out of reach for many. The Tesla Tiny Home challenges this narrative by offering a compact, efficient, and affordable alternative that doesn't compromise on quality or comfort. It demonstrates that a smaller footprint can still provide a high standard of living, especially when paired with cutting-edge technology and thoughtful design. The environmental benefits of tiny homes cannot be overstated. Traditional homes require significant resources to build and maintain, contributing to deforestation, excessive energy consumption, and high carbon emissions. In contrast, the Tesla Tiny Home is designed with sustainability at its core. The use of renewable energy sources such as solar panels reduces reliance on fossil fuels, while advanced insulation and water-saving technologies minimize waste. Additionally, the compact size of tiny homes means they require fewer materials to construct, further reducing their environmental impact. For retirees and seniors who are increasingly concerned about the planet they will leave for future generations, the Tesla Tiny Home offers a way to live more sustainably without sacrificing comfort or convenience. Another key advantage of the Tesla Tiny Home is its adaptability. As people age, their housing needs often change. A home that is perfect for a family with young children may not be suitable for retirees who require a more manageable and accessible living space. The Tesla Tiny Home can be customized to meet these evolving needs with features like single-level layouts, wide doorways, and smart home technology that enhances safety and convenience. For example, voice-activated systems can control lighting, temperature, and security, making it easier for seniors with mobility issues to manage their homes independently. This adaptability ensures that the Tesla Tiny Home remains a practical and long-term solution for its residents. The rise of tiny home communities also addresses a critical social issue: loneliness among seniors. As people age, they often face the loss of spouses, friends, and social networks, leading to feelings of isolation. Tiny home communities provide a built-in support system, fostering connections among residents and creating a sense of belonging. These communities often include shared spaces such as community gardens, recreation areas, and gathering halls, where residents can socialize and participate in group activities. This communal living model not only enhances quality of life, but also provides peace of mind for family members who may worry about their loved ones living alone.